In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the popular Audible Original audiobooks. They're almost all free with Amazon Plus. So in the center of the screen is a mirror of my phone, which simply is opening up on the home page of Audible. You click Discover. It's okay, it's easy, they're just hidden away. Then you go to Audible Charts. You'll initially be despondent because you'll look down and you think they all need a credit. But if you go across and then you click any featured Audible Original, you'll see that it'll give you the top 20 Audible Original. And at the moment, only 2 of these need a credit. That last one was fantastic. Equally, you can look at the charts through most listened to, but once again, you need to make sure that it's select an Audible Original and it'll show you them. I hope that's helped. Audible changes its membership categories all the time. This is accurate in the UK 2026. I'll smash an affiliate link down in case you want to join, but I genuinely hope that's given you some happy listening. See you next time.